In this video, I'm breaking down the real difference between flashing cement and wet patch, so you don't get stuck buying the wrong stuff for your waterproofing project. Alright, so here's the deal. Flashing cement and wet patch are both used for sealing and waterproofing, but they're not exactly interchangeable. Flashing cement is thicker, more like a goopy paste, and it's designed to stick really well to surfaces like metal, wood, or masonry, creating a durable, waterproof barrier. Wet patch usually refers to a type of patching compound that stays soft longer and is easier to work with on uneven surfaces, but it might not be as tough or weatherproof over time. If you want to create a small, flat, waterproof layer that sheds water, flashing cement is usually better because it adheres stronger and lasts longer in harsh conditions. That cheap 1-gallon flashing liquid for $6 you're seeing at the big box store? Yeah. That's probably a lower quality plastic cement or a less durable blend that won't hold up well in sun or extreme weather. The higher priced stuff near $24 often has neoprene or synthetic rubber components that handle UV exposure and temperature changes way better. You gotta think about where your patch will live. If it's out in the sun, cheap plastic cement might crack or peel quicker than neoprene-based flashing cement. Also, prepping your surface properly before applying any of these products is key to making sure your waterproof layer actually sticks and stays put. Don't just slap it on and hope for the best. Clean, dry surfaces make all the difference. One of the biggest mistakes folks make is assuming all flashing liquids are the same and grabbing the cheapest option without checking the product specs or intended use. Another common issue is not prepping the surface well enough. Dirt, dust, or moisture can totally wreck adhesion and cause leaks later on. And finally, people often forget that exposure matters a ton. Products that work great under a roof or inside won't necessarily survive outside in direct sunlight or rainstorms. The fix? Always read the label for UV resistance or neoprene content if your patch is outdoors, clean your patch area thoroughly, and pick a product designed for your specific weather conditions. If you're looking for trusted advice or local pros to help with your patch job or bigger home projects, bighomeprojects.com is where it's at. They connect homeowners like you with reliable contractors who know their stuff. Plus, they help contractors find legit work without all the usual hassle. It's a win-win if you want to get things done right without the headache.